Hey my lovelies, welcome back. My name is Levion. If this is your first time here, thank you all so much for clicking on today's video. So I mentioned in a previous video that I was in the process of doing a small makeover in our home, first starting in our living room. So I purchased some new furniture pieces, and as they come in, I will be sharing with you the process and hopefully giving you all some home decor inspiration. My media console was just delivered and I am low-key obsessed with it. I love the dark wood finish with the glass doors and the storage inside. It's listed as a media console, but I feel like it will be perfect anywhere in your home. It's just so nice. Before styling, I did want to go ahead and just clean it up a little bit. I'm using the Method wood cleaner and just some spray way for the glass. In my living room, I'm pretty much doing everything over. We did give the living room a fresh coat of paint. I feel like a fresh coat of paint just really makes a huge difference. The wall where the TV is was a really dark accent wall, and just with the lighter paint coating, it just makes everything look so much brighter and larger. I did purchase a new couch. I'm just waiting for that to come in, hopefully more sooner than later. And I did show my window treatments in a previous video, and I did mention that I was going to purchase another panel, and that also came in. I'm going to start decorating the inside of the cabinets first. I'm using pretty much everything that I already had around the house. I have the storage box. I love using these little boxes. I have a smaller one in our bedroom, and it's just perfect for storing your remotes, your chargers, and just things that you need but like to have a home for when it's not in use. I'm just adding in some coffee table books. I wanted to like break up just the whole black books because I have two black books, and then I'm just going to add in another white one. So instead of just being like all black with all of the different titles, I just decided to change around the title side and just display the pages. I am absolutely obsessed with the Caraway Brathwaite Black is Beautiful book. If you haven't had the opportunity to check it out and you enjoy black art, fashion, and history, you would definitely enjoy this book. When purchasing these really expensive coffee table books, make sure you at least go through the pages at least once. Be sure that it represents you and your home in any kind of way, whether it's just fashion, art, culture, or whatever. Try not to just buy it because it's like super popular. And I know we all fall victim because I definitely do. But at least go through the pages and make sure that you are okay with what's just being displayed and advertised inside of the coffee table books. So I wanted to add in some personal touches, and honestly, I couldn't wait for the perfect way to display our wedding album. So we were supposed to have a destination wedding, but COVID said, yeah, okay. So this book, it actually was like our wedding guest book, and our guests would like take pictures with a like little Polaroid and like sign their name underneath. But we did have like a small ceremony, and our guests did like have the opportunity to do it, and we did use it. So I definitely wanted to display our wedding album somewhere where we can kind of like look at it more often. As you can tell, Target is one of my favorite places to shop for home decor and really everything. I always just go straight to Target. I think it's because they don't have long lines. But yeah, I'm definitely a Target girl. I love the decor there because in my opinion, you can really just add it in with any home decor style and make it your own. And then for the most part, a lot of the pieces are very affordable. And if you're like your girl, I love the affordable luxury look for less. On top of the media console, I'm keeping it pretty simple. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, my decor is pretty simple and easy for the most part. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it like this. I would like to add in like a large vessel on the other end, but for now, I'm going to add in these pieces. I'm adding in this accent bowl. I had this for a while. I decided to place some pillar candles inside. Once these burn all out, I will get some new ones with different height. And then I'm just going to add in a few different decorative books with a beaded garland on the side of it. And then on the other end, I'll just add in some candle holders. I also purchased this large planter. I just had to have this planter. It is so nice. It does say it's dark gray, but it kind of looks black even in person. But right now, I did add in this older plant that I had. I do plan on purchasing another one, probably a faux fiddle or an olive plant. I'm not really sure on which one, but I do think one of those plants will just give a little bit more quality and will complement the makeover a little better. Those plants are a bit of an investment. And with me having to still purchase like a few other bigger ticket items, I do want to just kind of hold off on purchasing, you know, like things like plants or other things like that I feel like I could kind of hold off and just save my money on. Guys, when you are redoing any space in your home, try to set a budget and then get the larger or more expensive items first. Make sure that you know you want them, because once you make an investment and like spend a lot of money on certain pieces, you know, you want to make sure that you will, you know, love them forever, even if you can just change it around in a different area of your home. So that's what I plan on doing with my pieces now. And this is the finished look right now with the console table. I think everything looks really, really, really nice. Let me know what you think below in the comments. And even if you are planning on redoing any space in your home, let me know how you like to budget. Do you kind of just get what you need and really don't worry about the budget, or make sure that you are sticking exactly to the budget? I'm trying to stick exactly to my budget, but yeah, it's kind of hard when you like so much stuff. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, and if you aren't already, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.